Good morning, children. Today we'll learn something very special. Vowels. They are the letters that help every word sound smooth and clear. In the English alphabet, there are 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, and U. These are our 5 special letters. Repeat after me. A, E, I, O, U.
A, E, I, O, U.
Without vowels, we couldn't say words properly. They'd sound strange.
Like trying to say cat without A, it would just be C-T.
Let's start with the first vowel, A. A is for apple, ant, and astronaut. Who can tell me what sound the letter A makes?
Me. It says ah.
Great job, everyone! E is for elephant, and E is for egg. The letter E makes the E sound, like an elephant and egg.
E. Elephant. Egg.
That's easy to remember. Now let's learn about I. It says igloo, insect, and ink.
I for insect. I like that one. I also make igloo. Yay!
The next vowel is O. It says O in orange, octopus, and owl.
O for octopus. That's funny. And I love eating O for orange.
Finally, we have U. It says like in umbrella, up, and uncle. Who can tell me what starts with the letter U?
Ha! U for umbrella. I use one when it rains.
These letters, A, E, I, O, and U, are very important. They are called the vowels. And let's say all the vowels together. A, E, I, O, U.
A, E, I, O, U.
Vowels help us open our mouths and make clear sounds. Try saying pen or sun. Vowels make them sound complete. Let's play a quick game. I'll say a word, and you find its vowel. Ready? The word is
dog.
Great job today!
Ah!
Now you know all about vowels and their sounds. Keep practicing. Vowels make every word come alive.